Streaming yangu yatotanga.
Where do I text you?
Hmm?
I want to share.
Funa ngiri. Hello guys, welcome. It's DC. So in today's video, in today's live stream, this is what we're gonna be doing. We created some. A lot of you guys have been asking us to create the our AI Spike EA, and we also created a new EA which is called the other one, which is called the Titan. So what we're trying to do is this. I want you guys to observe how these EAs will be trading. So basically that's what we're going to be doing, and we'll also be giving what signals using this spike EAs. These EAs will be giving out signals using these EAs. So basically that's what we're going to be doing. This is all that we'll be doing. Save is these EAs will be automatically trading. Okay, like now we have a signal. What happened here? I also want to share my live, the link to my live. So this one is the titanium, titanium, titan. Oh, I missed the link. Sure, and it's moving now. So this one is the Titan. It's an indicator. So this is the indicator. This is the EA. So also observe. So this one specifically works on 5-minute time frame. It works on 5-minute time frame. Then the AI spike detector works on 1-minute time frame. We've just put everything together, and as you can see on the comments, these are the different EAs that are trading. They are automatically trading. So if you have a signal, I'll let you know, guys. It's not working. Oh, let me check here. Let me check the live. Today we're well organized. Very organized. So let me just share this link so that more people can join. So we have a signal in Crash 900. Where's Crash 900?
DC has no internet.
The internet is not working. You check here, Baruch. The work of the devil. Eh? This is not the work of the devil. It's actually you buying cheap Wi-Fi. Yeah, when you buy rain, you're just buying problems. You need fiber optic. Okay, let's see. So which trades do we have that are running with Crash 500? Which trades do we have here? So I missed an entry in that setup. This one, Crash 300. Unfortunately, the AI spike detector doesn't work. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about our EAs. It's working here. Funa ndati inonzi Techno dzimwe nguva inoshanda dzimwe nguva haishanda. Vanange vakupai. Hey, look at this entry. So we have a signal here that the EA took, and as you can see, so we are looking at Boom 900. We had this star. This one is the ultimate spike EA. This one works in all Boom and GainX assets. So you see this star, it's a signal. It means you need to buy, and the EA was able to buy, and the tip is here, and you can see the trailing stop has already moved. So that's the good part of this booming crash AI. The EA, so the EA one, it can trade O booming crash, not O. You'll be lying. It doesn't trade boom 300, boom 150, boom 50. Those small recently introduced indices. It doesn't trade those ones. So the boom, sorry. So the boom 300, the boom 150, and the boom 50, it doesn't trade those ones. Then on in GainX, it doesn't trade gain 400. So those small ones, these ones, it doesn't trade, but it can trade boom 1900, 600, 500. Those four major ones, and also gain 1200, gain 999, gain 800 and 600. Those ones it can effectively what trade. Okay, so we currently have a trade in boom 900, and the EA is, as you can see from the chart, it was able to buy here, and we are still in that particular trade. So what happens is this one, the star is a reversal signal, so we're anticipating price to move upwards. Okay, but for boom 900, for some time it has been dropping down massively. Then let's check at boom. Let's look at boom 1000. What is taking place today? They were very good. You can see the star reversal signal is also there in boom 1000. So there are a lot of people who were asking. I wanted to share this live. I forgot. Let me just quickly share this this live to our WhatsApp and Telegram group. The link is also there in the description so that you can join these groups that we have. Nhasi zvinenge zvinewe shamwari, utongogara uchingosekerera pasaidi pamo chisakuita dede waita kutsamwa wedu manje live inobuda iri munhu akaita kutsamwa kuita kusvidzira paviewers. Aiwa shamwari, ndakakuudza kuti kushandisa Tecno shamwari hakuiti, hazvibude kushandisa Tecno. Tsanonekwa send a message.
Yeah.
Bachambu. Ndichi. Yo.
Anzi.
Face wakadhawa. Okay, ndomirira mufesi ya ndatata sangana paranda boy anobati. Yo, okay. So did I share the links? Yes, I did.
Let me text again.
Dzimwe waona zvichiramba ngosiyana ndati uchazoita friend. For now, ungoreka ceremonial presence, ceremonial individual. Unoti smile uri paside pangu. Sekera tori maviews nemalikes. Manje smile yacho inodzika smile yako inodzika paviewers. Okay, guys. So we're looking at boom 1000. So this is the indicator, guys. This is the indicator. The ultimate indicator. It also works in all in boom 1900, 600, and 500. It doesn't work. Yeah, this one, the indicator, works in all boom indices, but with the EA, you know, these ones, when you're now coding, it doesn't really work the same in boom 1000. So it's very effective in boom 1000, 900, 600, 500, but you can't use it in boom 900. Okay, so this is a chart for boom 500. I just want you guys to see how this indicator works. So this is the indicator, guys. It's a powerful indicator. Let me explain how the indicator works And so the same sorry, the same uh, the same trade are the ones that the EA is taking. So we have boom 500 here. So what happens is this: we have these lines, the red line when price is below this red line, and then when it's now green like this, you can take your what you can take your signals from here, and you can see from here the price, the signals were accurate. Which asset is currently trading? We have a signal in crash 600. Yeah, crash 600 has been moving down. It has been moving down. Crash 600 has been moving down. Okay. Where is the indicator? Where is the EA? I can see. Where is the indicator? Crash 600. This one. Okay. Okay. So with crash, it's the opposite. It's the opposite. When we have this red line above and there's a signal, we can take that signal here. What it means, this red line is, it means that we're in a bearish trend. So we have a signal here. For those who want a signal, we have a signal here, and our stop loss is, that's the good part of using an EA. It's 22,847. You can see there we had a spike, a small spike, but we're anticipating that price should continue moving upwards. We can only exit this particular trade. Okay, the reason why I came up with this, yeah, you're busy with. The reason why I came up with this indicator, I wanted to solve some problems. What were the problems that I was trying to solve? The first one was that we initially, when we created these indicators, yeah, perfect. Serious. The main reason why we did that, okay, we caught a spike in boom 1000. We caught a spike in boom 1000. Yes, you can see what happens when we're able to catch the spike. What then happened? The trailing stop moved above the price. So it also has a risk, can protect your profit. Once you're in profit, to pick the signal and price is now moving upwards. So basically, that's how this EA works. What are some of the key features? Let's talk about the EA. The EA is fully automated. It trades 24 hours, and it can also be used on a phone. The EA can be used on a phone. How? That's the biggest question. One, you can make use of the VPS. VPS. If you have VPS, that's how. That's the only way you can use this. Um, the what? This Spike EA on your phone. You need VPS. Okay, so you can actually use it on a mobile phone with VPS. Then secondly, you can also use it on a PC. Then what else? It works, this spike detector works on 1 minute and 5 minutes. It can also work on 5 minutes. It works on 1 and 5 minute time frame. Then what else about the EA? We're talking about the key features. Seems like you're very busy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to set up.
You're trying to scare these people. You're trying by all means to scare them.
No.
Like, yeah, you're very busy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to.
You know what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to share my life in your group. You see? Then when I go for training, you will continue. You can just switch the accounts. Okay, guys, we're still talking about the key features of these Spike EAs. Can you help me, please?
Wait.
So the Spike EA can be used to trade boom 1000, 900, 600, and 500. Guys, I also want to, if you have questions, please feel free to. My network is very, very bad. Um, haisiyana naro dzingori nharo okay. So we have a very good signal in boom 1000. I want you guys to see how this spike EA, the trading robot, how it works. So this live stream is gonna end at 4 o'clock, so we still have more time. So in the meantime, what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be playing music. Huh? Are you going to dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Huh?
I can dance.
Since when?
Today.
Seriously, if I play music, you start
I
dancing.
can dance.
Can you twerk?
No, today I'm not twerking, I'm dancing.
Do you twerk? Have you ever twerked before?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Twerk, Messi, twerk.
Mm.
Twerk, Messi, twerk.
I can do that.
Let me play some music. Boom 1000, boom 500. Yes, we're able to catch this spike. And on the comments, this clearly shows that these trades are being taken by what? By the EA. These are the trades being taken by the EA, the trading robot. So you can click on Amapiano. Is it possible?
Let's put
Click on Amapiano. Oh. We're able to catch this spike. Caught this one. 900 is a very good. So I think tomorrow we'll be doing GainX and PainX. Which team are you supporting? Which team do you think is going to win the Champions League? So from the games that I watched yesterday, there's too much fun. So from the games that I watched yesterday, this is my honest opinion. I don't think Barcelona is that strong. Or maybe Newcastle was played very well yesterday because since they had the home support, but they had the energy and the zeal to win that game. Yes, there's a possibility that Barcelona can win, but it's not an obvious win when they're playing Newcastle the next game. I don't think. Okay, in terms of Barcelona winning the Champions League, I don't see Barcelona winning the Champions League. I don't think they'll win the Champions League. From the games that were played yesterday, I see one Bayern is very strong. Bayern is very strong. Liverpool, I don't see Liverpool doing much, honestly. They lost the form that they had. Even in the league, they're actually struggling. Then Atletico Madrid. Yes, they played well, but I think if they be playing there, I think the whole squad was there. They are to meet them. Barcelona, yes, I support Barcelona, but I don't think this year we're going to win the Champions League. The team was playing poorly, but I think Bayern is a little bit strong. It's really strong. Tottenham are going to be eliminated. That one is they can't compete at that level playing such football. Then Real Madrid, yeah, we'll see how they will play today. Then Galatasaray, they're very good. Let's see, which team are you supporting? Let us know in the comment section which team you are supporting. That one. I want to check the comments. Look in your account. made a mistake in Boom Crash 1000. I don't know why I installed the Boom Tragos. Why am I talking about the Tragos? Crash 1000. I installed the wrong. Oh, it's the correct one. $10. Crash 900. Stop. No.
That's the best way to grade me.
How? No. You're not doing that. Molefe, how are you? Good afternoon. Is saying you were in losses just a few minutes. Yeah, that's the beauty of trading spikes. Spikes, the profit just comes. All of a sudden, you're in massive profit. Arsenal and Real Madrid, yeah, Arsenal, they're playing well. Arsenal, there's a little bit of consistency. But I'm telling you, watch out for Bayern. Bayern, I think this year Bayern will definitely play in the final. And they have a bigger chance of winning. Miss DC. How are you, Miss DC? What's your name, Miss DC? The spikes, they keep on coming. Huh?
MC.
Oh, yeah. Hey, no copyright is that. Oh. Let's see. Let's go. So one thing that I saw with this spike detector that you can also add is the works. So, like what I was saying, what exactly were we trying to solve when we created these products? So let me start with this booming crash AI spike detector. So what I did is this: I combined the boom and crash spike detector and the ultimate. It's more like one and the same profit. What should I do? Am I going to exit the trade, or should I hold this trade? So we also tried to solve that problem by introducing this line. Oh, which one is spiking? Boom crash 900. Yo, it's
spiked.
So it's spiking. It's spiking like crazy. And let's see. And I wanted you guys to see the trailing stop. Now it's below the price. It isn't closed because it's anticipating that most spikes are going to okay. So if you're trading normally, after catching these big spikes, after this drawdown, you're obviously going to exit the market. But this one doesn't do that. It knows that, okay, most spikes are going to okay, it will keep on dropping. We have a trailing stop that is guiding and protecting your profit. So that's another thing. So it's two on trying to solve problems that we normally face when we're catching spike. One, the fact of knowing where exactly are we going to be exiting after you're in profit. This indicator is solves that problem, because once the price is trading below this red line, you can hold that particular trade, because it means that price is too bearish. And when the spikes are about to exhaust, that's when you start to see the green line, and you'll see in most cases price will trend to move upwards. So that's the purpose of what these green lines, it tells you when you're going to be exiting. So it's a very good indicator, because one, you know how long you're going to be holding the trade and when you're going to be exiting. That was the major problem that we're facing when it comes to catching spikes. The entry were perfect, but knowing exactly where you're going to be exiting becomes the problem. So that's what we tried to solve when we created this problem. What else did we try to solve? Okay, the issue of stop loss. It also gives you where you're going to be placing your stop loss. Where exactly are you going to be placing your stop loss? This indicator is able to do that. So apart from the Titan it's an indicator that works on 5 minutes. So are we done with the spike here?
Yes.
What else do we need to tell the people? It's fully automated. You don't need to analyze, you don't need to do anything. the indicator or the EA analyze for you. What else? What does it mean? I didn't go to school. What do you mean? Psychological pressure.
Yeah, it takes away the psychological pressure. You don't need to worry. Just let the EA do the work for you.
Yes.
While you're sleeping.
There are no emotions attached. Because when we trade, we normally, emotions, they get in the way of our trades in most cases. So when you trade with an EA, the EA doesn't have emotions. It doesn't have a conscience. So there are no emotions that are involved. So one, you can make money while you sleep. So as you can see, I think someone was also mentioning the fact that that we're in loss, but look at us now. Look at us now. Look at us now. Look at us now. We're in massive profits. Massive profits. So you can just actually make money while you are doing nothing. You can make money while you are doing nothing. So that's the beauty of using EAs. We have a signal in Boom 600. Where's Boom 600? Boom 600.
It's not there.
Okay. We're able to catch this spike. These are trades that are being carried by the EA. So why is it we didn't have a reversal here? Did I use the correct indicator? Let me remove this one. This trade was taken by which? Boom, spike, EA, crash 600. So crash 600, we're using the altimeter for ultimate boom and crash. Ultimate. Where is it? Crash and pain. Boom and crash, this one, the one. Maybe I used the. Oh, this thing is just spiking non-stop. Look, we're already, there's another profit. Yeah. Crash 600. But we talked about crash 600. Crash 600. Yo, this was massive. Smacking. Just the moment that you enter, enjoy spiked. So yeah, just to say spiked. Honestly. Miss DC. Miss DC.
Yes.
You're just here to say spiked.
They must come and buy these EAs and indicators.
So that's why you're here.
Yes.
I thought you were going to say spiked only.
I know.
Which market is this? Boom 900.
I'm advertising our products.
But unfortunately with Boom 900, you see what happened? The trailing stop. It hit us there, then it dropped, then it pushed upward. I do better my Liamuzun alpha. I already have the crash spike detector and the Kerdoskopos. Okay, those are indicators. So we are in the process of automating all those systems. So we have created robots for the spike EA. So for the spike EA, we have two types. We have the AI spike EA. Then we have the ultimate. The difference, someone would ask, what is the difference? The ultimate was created in such a way that it can trade all boom and gain X assets. That's one. So with the AI, it's designed for specific what? 600 is spiking. Oh, we saw that. So you need the automated systems, the trading robots for this. You are free to ask questions. And I'm wondering, who is this DC? It's you.
It's me. What is let's see, the Deben guy, the sharp. What is he saying?
Those are your people.
Deben, what are you saying? How are you?
Those are your people.
I'm saying
They speak Arabic.
you play Roblox.
Seriously? Playing Roblox? No, we're not playing Roblox. It's finance. It's finance.
We are trading. Boom and crash,
Are you
pain and
trading?
gain.
The robot is trading.
Yeah, the robot is trading.
Oh, Roblox.
Robot. Maybe you wanted to say robot. Yes, this is the robot that you can use for.
If you say yes, it seems like you're agreeing to what you say. Are you playing Roblox?
No, the robot is trading. It can work on boom and crash.
What is a robot?
PainX and GainX.
What
the
is the robot?
EA.
What is the
I think
EA?
he wants to talk about the automated trading system that can trade for
What does
you
it mean?
whilst you're sleepy.
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
Automated trading system.
Meaning it executes the trades on its own. It does the buy, it does the sell, and exit the trades on its own.
What are the advantages of using an EA?
The advantages of using an EA. One, it takes away the emotion. That's one thing that I like. It trades for you from the comfort of your sleep, from the comfort of your bed. You'll be sleeping while the AA is doing the work.
The AA?
The EA.
So that's the only advantage.
That's
I've seen that with most Forex traders.
I'm from Africa. Oh.
Which part of Africa?
Which part of Africa are you watching us from? Which part of Africa are you watching us from?
Benedict, good afternoon. Please, what that star stands for? Okay. The star stands for what? The star stands for?
Which star is he asking?
The new ultimate system, it is a star. This one. Where is the star? This one. What does it stand for? Let's check 1000. It's there to do what? The star.
I'm from Africa.
Africa is big. It's like you're staying.
Maybe South Africa.
Okay, yeah. Okay. This guy is asking about the star. The star is a signal. It's a signal. What it means is this. Do we have any perfect example to explain this?
Yeah, I look for a perfect example. Okay, you're from South Africa. That's good. That's good.
South Africa.
Yeah.
Which part of South Africa?
You wanted to say from South Africa. That's good. We have these amazing.
Which part of South Africa?
Indicators. Okay, I think you'll answer.
Okay. Someone is asking about these stars. They are reversal signals. What it means is this: once these spikes occur, multiple spikes will start occurring. This was boom. This is boom 900. You can see for some time it has been dropping down. Once these stars occur, what then happened? Price started to move up. So to me, I just call them reversal signals. These ones, they will tell you where the price is likely going to start reversing and move and change direction. If the price was moving down for a very long time, this one, once they appear, these stars, they don't just appear. This is one of our most powerful signals. Once it appears, it means you're in a position to catch multiple spikes, at least 4 spikes. In this case, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 spikes in a row. So it's a signal. It gives a reversal signal. Hey. Where's the water? Yeah, sorry. So I think I've answered you, Benedict. So Mr. Molef, you now need the automated system. This one, as you can see, I'm not taking any trades. The trading robots are the ones that are executing the trades. So you can actually make money while you just sleep. Because what I've observed is this. In trading, this is what Africans always think. Someone is bewitching me. No, you just need water. Okay. So these automated systems, guys, they were developed from the systems that we had, the AI spike detector and the ultimate systems. So we developed these systems to come up with these boom and gain XAI spike trading. Spike what? Trading. Spike EA.
Spike EA.
You're busy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to check.
Okay, so I was explaining this this EA. I was explaining how this EA works. We have a signal. Oh, which one is this one? Cash 600. I think it was able to hit us.
It's moving down.
TP. It hit the TP. Did you see that?
Yeah, that was perfect. That was perfect.
You see? Straight line like this. I enjoy trading booming crash 900, 600, and sometimes 300. Why? Because of these spikes. If you're trading spikes, but if you're caught while you're scalping,
you won't like it.
You won't like it. The time to recover will not be there. That's why most cases, if I'm trading in on 1 minute time frame, I normally enjoy catching spikes. Why? Because of this movement, fast profits. I think in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 minutes, you're in deep profit. Probably you'd make $50 in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Please, yes, can I see it's full? It's yes, I can see that is fully automated. Yes, executed automatically. Where is the chart where we have crash 900? I wanted to organize these things, but now crash 600. This one. Okay, so this is the EA that took the trade. There I was showing you the indicator. Guys, please ask questions. I want you guys to ask so that you understand what is taking place. You understand how these trading robots works. So we've been preaching a lot about the trading robots. Is there anything that we left?
No. I think we covered everything.
Okay, the asset that the time frames. So we have two types of EAs, as you can see from the comments. We have the boom titanium. The boom titanium. Titanium.
Boom titan.
The boom titanium. Why do you give complicated names that
Which
you can't even pronounce? It's madness, huh? Titan. There's a story behind how I name my. Have you ever seen that my products are unique? Polemos, Kerdoskopos,
Tragos.
Polemos. What does polemos mean?
Whoa.
Whoa. So I created when our World War III started. That's when I created the polemos. It was created during war. The polemos. So polemos is a Greek word that means war. So you're fighting with the broker to make profit. You're at war. You're at war with the broker. Because when you're trading using Deriv, you're trading against the broker. It's not like you're trading against other traders. So you're at war with the brokers. And it was during the period when Trump started the war with Iraq. So that's how I said, let me just call this one polemos. Polemos means war. So that one, it tries to fight. It fights with the broker to make profit. Okay, let's go to. So with the indicators, one, it is a trailing stop. This red line. If the red line is still there, it means that you can hold the trade. But with the EA, it is a fixed take profit and stop loss. Once it reaches the stop loss, it immediately they are pre-programmed. So basically, that's how this whole system works. Okay, tell you it gives you a stop loss. It also gives you a notification. Okay, now or you can get a buy signal with the entry, and it will tell you again when you're going to be exiting the particular market. And it also has a trailing stop. What else about okay, it can also work in all booming crash indices. The indicator, the EA, I couldn't make it work on 300, 150, and 50. The code that why is it you came up with the word Titan?
Can you explain?
Huh? What is a Titan? So you're the one who's giving me names, and now you're telling me that I need to explain the names that you gave me.
Yes.
Why did you call it Titan?
You must explain, you know.
How can I know something that I don't know? It's impossible. It's not. Huh?
I don't know.
You just came up with the name from your head, Titan.
Yes.
Maybe when you were young, you used to have a boyfriend that was called Titan, and with me not analyzing the situation well, I ended up calling it a Titan. I didn't know that probably.
Maybe.
Yeah, the boyfriend was called Titan. Is it a name? Is it a what? Okay, so these are gods. They were giants. The word Titan, apart from the gods, it was also derived because it means authority and conquer. So that's how these were giants that existed a long time ago, the Titans. And they used to rule. They had authority. They were conquering. So this one is going to conquer the boom and crash PainX and GainX market. That's how I came up with the word Titan. So the Titan buys and sells. It works on 5-minute time frame. As you can see, there's the boom Titan, and there are those EAs. So this one, there are some people who want to creating robots and indicators. Where exactly did it come from? So I'm always saying this. I've analyzed to see beyond what everyone can see when I'm looking at different markets. So when I started to understand how indicators works, I started to change the settings, play around the settings, and see what could best work in these different markets. Because booming crash, I'm telling you, is totally different. So I then said, okay, these strategies. That was the first thing. I had an extraordinary ability when it comes to creating strategies. This has been proved. If you go on my YouTube channel, I've created, I don't know, millions. Go anywhere and you'll never find those strategies. I think my wisdom comes from aliens. This is alien wisdom. You can never find it from anyone from anywhere on this earth.
Are you an alien?
No, there's an alien that normally whispers in my ear if I'm creating these strategies. That's why they are very unique.
Maybe an alien.
I'm an alien. So you're in love with them. Are you in love? Yeah. You're cohabiting. Well, love is a big word. You're cohabiting with an alien. That's nice. Okay. I'm always talking about this. There was a time, guys, when I was just ordinary and I wanted to be extraordinary. I'm telling you, I remember that day, and I was going to work, but it was during the period when I was starting to work. I was still growing, and I was still struggling. Then I prayed. I was going to work by that day. I used to spend the whole night trading. Then the next day I would go to work. That I'm talking about, guys, it's God given. There is nothing that I personally can attribute to my personal intellectual or my personal wisdom. This has nothing to do. These things, guys, if I look at the chart like this, there are things that I see that is not within me. I'm telling you, some of these strategies, they are inspired, and I believe they are inspired by God. I'm telling you, these strategies, I'm telling you guys, they are not my own strategies. They actually came from God. So with me, with Dizzy, that's the secret. And I'm always constantly praying that God help me, give me wisdom that I can see beyond, that I can be extraordinary, that I can be outstanding in this particular market. So it's very, very easy for me to come up with strategies. And I've proven that these strategies, they're not just ordinary, they work. I remember there was a guy, I'm always following the comments. That's what I do. My hobby is to read comments. I read comments for a living. So there was this guy, was it from Ghana? He was a pastor. So the church was growing, and what he told me as a testimony was this. He said, I didn't know anything about trading. the moment that I started watching your videos from YouTube, you was just watching these videos like what most of you guys are doing. Then you started to understand and develop a deeper desire to what? To learn about trading. So you kept on watching my video. So I'm always going through the comments, and so that's why I'm always constantly coming back and creating more things. And I'm always praying that God, may you give me more wisdom, so that I can impact this world. So that's the main reason why I share most of my things for free, because I'm telling you, people do not just give out strategies. I'm gonna give you a good example. When the these ICT things that you're now talking about was in existence a long time ago, there was a time when Michael Hudson used to have private sessions where people would pay a lot of money to learn his ICT concept. They became, I think it got to a point where people now, since it was private and you are selling these courses, some people say, okay, there's an opportunity. They started to resell his courses. That's when he said, okay, let me just go on YouTube. And that's when he published all the videos. If you look at them, those videos, they baked it a very, very long time ago. So if I was going to do that, and if you can look at Michael Hudson, he honestly said that he has made millions from selling his ICT concept. So if I was going to be selfish and I would just sell, if I was going to be selling courses, I would be a millionaire. You'll be a wife of a millionaire. I am a billionaire. My billionaire.
Yeah, you're forgetting.
My billionaire. I'm a billionaire. Yeah. So if I was going to be very stingy, I was not going to be sharing this, and you'll be the wife of a billionaire. Hmm? So that's the reason why I'm always constantly, because I know that this information. There was a time, guys. Where is this emanating from? There was a time I talk too much. Yeah. That's why there's no need for music. I'll be just talking non-stop.
And I'm just sitting here quietly. I don't even. And also give them, what else can I give them? PDFs for the strategies.
What benefit are they going to reap from subscribing to your channel?
They can get strategies that works effectively for boom and crash.
My strategies.
PainX and GainX.
They will know that, okay, you're stealing this strategy. This is not your strategy. Why should people subscribe to your channel? Please tell us. Let us know.
Because I need to reach 1,000 subscribers, so they have to subscribe. You see,
it's not about the content.
No, and also the content, they'll get it there. You see, these days I'm very consistent. If they go and check on my channel, just go and check.
Is what?
The YouTube will just take it as a subscriber. It won't be written that this one is coming from.
Or to you, a subscriber is just a subscriber.
Yes.
But you must be
now, this days I'm consistent. Just let them go and check out on my YouTube channel. These days I'm consistent. I'm posting like almost everything.
It's not about posting.
Valuable information.
Informative. Educative.
Educative.
Is it entertaining?
Partially. This is educative, so it can't be fully entertaining.
No, what people now want is this. They want edutainment.
Edutainment.
Yeah.
We can try that. If it is what they want, what can we do?
You must give strategies while it's to twerking. I'm telling you,
no,
I'm always
no. I can't.
The parameters for this particular strategy. Okay, for now, let's just play some Nicki Minaj. Then you start twerking.
No.
For 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, 10 seconds. Let's continue with the strategy. That's edutainment. You're entertaining your viewers at the same time.
I can't.
You're educating them.
Something else.
Something else.
Yeah.
But what are you can ask these guys, they can give you very good ideas. What are some of the things that you as viewers would want to see if you're going to be subscribing to a channel? I think you can ask them so that you will make content that is tailored to these viewers. I think that's the most difficult part. What exactly do you guys want? So that I can go and bake and cook for you. Yeah,
so guys, tell me, what do you want to see on my YouTube channel? Do you want spike strategy? Do you want scalping strategies? Do you want
They want gold
lessons on how
strategy.
to cope with the stress that comes with trading? What do you guys actually want to see on my channel? You can text. I'll be following in the comments and see what you like. Then I'll try to make videos based on your suggestion.
Lakmo Manyemba. I respect DC so much. Thank you so much for the respect, my brother. I love Lakmo. I think I know Lakmo Manyemba.
Manyemba is Zimbabwe.
Where exactly are you from, Mr. Lakmo? Benedict is saying, DC, you're touching life. Yes, that's the reason why I keep on doing this. Can I say I was called to do this? I have a calling. So I'm ministering. How? Trading. But honestly, this is not, I started something differently. When it comes to my own intelligence and my own, I majored in economics. I have a BS honors in degree, but it's not something special. But when this is unrelated to what I specialized in. So that's why I say this has nothing to do with my own intelligence and wisdom. It's totally different. From Zaka, bro.
Machine.
Huh? Zaka Maswingo. Yeah. Huh? In Zimbabwe, the most intelligent people, there's a debate. People from Mutare, they claim they're very smart, or people from Maswingo. The Maswingos, they are smart. Are they smart, or they are wise, or they are what? What I know of people from Maswingo, one, they're more educated, very, very educated, and they're very smart. Samanyika. And you're my funnies. Yeah? Duza wamanyika samanyika achita mafanisi. Uenda kuskuru. From Mutare. Mutare is known for what? Want to write language is funny. It is very, very nice. So, but I know Maswingo. Maswingo is known for that. And also, Zaka was
not safe. I don't know.
Pure trading live. I respect Zim Ovia would tell you, okay, this thing works. This thing, you must buy it. No, you must see it. If it's working, you see it. If it's not working, you see it. I want you guys to have a look at this. These products, for your own information, it can actually take me years to create one product. The product that you finally see today probably took me 5 years to create. 5 years. It probably took me sleepless weeks trying to fix this. I would see, okay, this thing is working. Okay, I need to fix here. I need to do this. So like what I promised at 4 o'clock, that's when we are in this live. How many minutes do we have?
33 minutes left.
Like more namboda kuzvitaura asi ndataka kunyara ndozomakwana nomasvingo kuzaka anzi kunoroyiwa. There's too much witchcraft in Zaka. It's true. I was trying to be a little bit sensitive and I didn't want to say that. Zaka aunetsana unoti handiende manheru anzi anozongoona ndasvika so manheru ada kuzondurayama kuseri tadzokera padeni. It's true. It's true. Kuzaka. Yeah. Unobatwa juju. But pane kusina juju here.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
But maybe there are areas
where they specialized
like
the level. Exactly. Yeah. You can't mess around with people from Malawi. Yeah. I think of all the SRATEGY countries, Malawi is strong. Malawi. You can't. The type of witchcraft that they have, the type of mood is strong. So sometimes is, witchcraft can be anywhere, but there is a place that it can be concentrated.
Yeah.
So zaka rinopisa rakaimbonani.
Nox.
Ndanita manje kutaura uye ndakupera pawo manje. Ndawanza kutaura. Okay guys, I just want you to ask questions. I need to prepare. These days I'm trying my best to keep fit. I'm now, can I say it?
You can say it.
I'm now 103 kgs. 103 kgs. Sure. So I'm trying to work on my fitness. So I need to go and gym. I need to go and gym. I didn't say I'm going to the gym.
Oh, you need to go and gym.
And gym.
Okay,
it's not like I'm going to the gym. No.
I get it now.
I need to go and gym.
That's nice.
So I'm trying to. I find it difficult to really go to the gym because you need to be consistent. So the only thing that I love the most is soccer. So I'm trying to use soccer to shed some weight. At least if I can go on 90 kgs, can I lose approximately 10 kgs?
It's very possible.
10 kgs? Yo! Yo. It's not easy. So that's what I'm trying. But when it comes to losing weight, one thing that I've seen is this. There are two things. One, obviously, you need to monitor your diet. So diet plays a very big part in lifestyle. I spend a lot of time watching the charts, just sitting down. That is the main reason why I'm gaining weight. And I don't do a lot of physical activities. If I want to go to the shops, I'm quickly going to the garage and I'm driving. So there's no physical activity that I'm doing if I'm looking at my lifestyle. So I need to fix on my lifestyle. So that's why I'm now constantly and consistently going to play soccer every day. Not every day. From Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm playing soccer so that at least I can be fit, one, and I can also lose weight. So for now, I just want to be fit. I'm in a position to run. Am I in a position to what? Obviously, I'm in a very perfect condition to pick a very good shot. Hi, I'm Haaland. When it comes to shot, Valverde. I'm Valverde. You know Valverde from Real Madrid. Yo, they are long range and it's a powerful shot. It's like so, but I think that's one thing. So, guys, I think if you don't have questions, like Mo is saying, so brother, which EA is best for boom and crash? Which EA? It depends with what exactly do you want to do. Are you going to be trading spikes, or you scalp? For scalping, we have the Kerdoskopos. So far, of all the EAs that I've created, we have the Broom Supremis, we have the Polemos. The Kerdoskopos stands out. I'm telling you, that one is powerful. That one is a powerful EA. Then when it comes to what? When it comes to kufuna will it count down in there? Guys, I think for today I'm tired now. If you don't have questions, okay. So someone was asking about which one is. So I was asking, do you enjoy trading spikes? If it's for spikes, the best EA is the boom and GainX AI spike EA. So why is it the best? It trades all booming crash. It doesn't trade all. It trades.
Okay.
It trades gain and boom indices. So you save money. One trade that I think you need to give it a try. You need to give it a try. Get in touch with me so that I can give you a link where you can join World Trade, the broker. It also has similar it also has similar what assets. So one EA is in a position to trade all those assets. So that's the advantage of using. What is the name of your channel?
Messi Tembo. They just search Messi Tembo.
Messi. Can you
Yes.
give them the spelling?
M-E-R.
M for monkey.
E for elephant, R for rabbit, C for cat, Y for yo-yo, Tembo, T for tree, E for elephant, M for monkey, B for ball, O for octopus.
You should go and teach at the kindergarten. They're a very good teacher. Do you have experience teaching these kids?
Yes. If they also their kids, I can also take them.
You can also take them.
Yes, for
you want to take their you guys, you need to be careful. You want to take your children. She's dangerous. You're dangerous. Yeah. Why do you want to take people's children?
I can teach them.
You can teach.
Yes.
Why I thought you said take.
I can teach them. Yes.
So these ones should subscribe to your channel because you teach on your channel about these things.
No, we will do it off the channel.
Off the channel. On your channel.
On my channel. We made Crash